Yeah, we're in Beitou now, and this is the place we're staying. It's called Waterhouse. So yeah, trying a hyperlapse again. Yeah, so we're up in the mountains now. Our hot spring, a hot spring series here. As you can see, the water is very pure. It's very good. Yeah, it's very neat today. Very naturally. Yeah, and it's not hot today too. So it's very nice weather today. Oh, so this is an old library with the Japanese Sarah. Yeah, watch your step. Otherwise, today is very nice. It's not too warm. It's good weather today. I said. I've been corrected. That's the museum. This is the big library. Yeah. Yeah, just hear this sound make you peaceful. If you can smell it, you can smell it. It's onsen or. Wow, the birds here are very tame until I open my mouth. Damn it. Yeah, I'm gonna fly drone here. It's a good spot here. Everything is open, wide open. You just fly up and walk. Yeah, just finished recording the drone shot from this place. Wow, many buildings. I'm not used to it, but it's okay. Very nice scenery actually, even if it's a lot of buildings. But that's the charm in Asia. People here are very laid back, I would say. Very laid back, very chill atmosphere. People taking the time reading books. I don't see much people on the phone actually. People reading books or sucking in the nature, taking picture with the phone, not at least looking at it. So that's cool in some way. We're going to Terminal Valley. I must say, scenery is very nice, very Japanese, I would say. The bridge is there. Yeah, very mystique and very nice, very chill. You can just relax actually. Can you see some old buildings? We are here, right here.
Yeah, so 温泉的古迹。It's a bad idea.
This is a temple, but the way up is a very almost 90 degree. You want me?
Should we follow you?
You want me to show the temple to us? Okay, let's go. If the dog can walk, so can we. Jesus Christ, I'm gonna sweat to death today. Oh my lord. Yeah. The stairs from down here, you can see. Keep walking. Yeah, it seems like we take from the back road. As you can see, that's the main there.
The man.
Yeah, it's back. A local dog. This is the passage. For you people that check Asian culture, you wash hands here.
Left and right.
Cool. Oh, it's very. Oh, from high up, if I can reach it. Up there, look, you can see the mountains. The scenery. It's like the whole village is built on a mountain. Whew. So this is the view. Oh, it's okay. Yeah, so we're up in the temple now. As you can hear my my oxygen, inhale of oxygen. But it's, yeah. Oh, it's a very pretty temple. I've been in quite many temples in Taiwan. This one is very neat, clean. Really hot, especially training. You can lose a lot of weight here if you train as a monk. No wonder they fat. Eat well, walk a lot. Yeah. Yeah, that's for it. See you. Boom.
Like and subscribe.